You know, you probably use it every single day without even realizing it. It's kind of the silent engine powering some of the biggest apps on the planet. Today, we're diving into Node.js, and you're about to see why it completely changed how the modern web works.
So what do these giants, Netflix, Uber, PayPal, all have in common? A streaming pioneer, a ride-sharing revolution, a global payment system. Well, they all bet big on the exact same technology to handle their massive scale. And yep, that technology is Node.js. So what is it really, and why did it change everything?
To really get why Node.js was so revolutionary, you kind of have to rewind the clock to the web before 2009. The internet was exploding, right? And the way servers handled users, well, it was starting to crack under the pressure. They just weren't built for a world with thousands or even millions of people connecting all at once.
Okay, the best way to picture the difference is like this. A traditional server, it's like a waiter who serves only one table at a time. They take your order, walk to the kitchen, wait for the food, bring it back, and only then do they even think about going to the next table. It's slow, it's clunky, but Node.js, that's like a superstar waiter. This waiter zips around, takes everybody's order at once, hands them all to the kitchen, and then starts delivering each plate the second it's ready. They never just stand around waiting. It's a total game changer in efficiency.
So this new super efficient model was the brainchild of the developer named Ryan Dahl. Back in 2009, he introduced this radical idea. He asked, what if you could take JavaScript, a language everyone thought was just for making websites pretty in a browser, and use it to run the entire server itself? It was a concept that would completely redefine web development.
And that was his whole mission. He wasn't just trying to make a little tweak here or there. He wanted to fundamentally solve the web's concurrency problem, that huge challenge of doing many things at once. The goal was to build something new from the ground up, designed for pure speed and massive scale.
And boy, did it take off. After it was introduced in 2009, the launch of NPM in 2010 was like pouring gasoline on a fire. It created this huge shared library for developers. By 2015, it was so important that a foundation was created just to manage it, cementing its role as this dominant force in modern software.
Okay, so we get why it was needed, but how in the world does it actually work? How can just one thread do the work of thousands? The answer is pretty cool. It lies in a few key ideas that make the whole thing possible.
All right, first things first, let's get a clear definition. At its core, Node.js is really just a program that lets you run JavaScript code literally anywhere, not just in your browser. It's the environment, the playground, that makes all this server-side JavaScript stuff happen.
And where does it get all that horsepower? Well, Node.js is built on Google's V8 engine, which is the same super-fast engine that powers the Chrome browser. Think of it as this beast of an engine under the hood. It takes your JavaScript and turns it directly into raw machine code that computers can execute incredibly fast.
Now this is the secret sauce, the real magic at the heart of Node.js. It's called non-blocking I/O. It just means Node never waits. When it hits a slow task, like asking a database for information, it kicks off that request and immediately moves on to the next thing. It doesn't just sit there twiddling its thumbs waiting for an answer.
So you might be wondering, what's coordinating all of this? How does it not become total chaos? That's the job of the event loop. It's like the master coordinator or an air traffic controller. It's constantly circling around, checking, hey, is that database query done yet? Is that file finished reading? And the second a task is complete, the event loop snags the result and gets the next step going. This is what keeps that single thread always busy and unbelievably efficient. Okay, so that's the theory, the techie deep dive. But what's it actually like for developers who are, building stuff with Node.js? This is where the story gets even better, and it's all thanks to its incredible ecosystem.
I mean, just look at this number. It's staggering. NPM, the Node Package Manager, gives developers instant access to over 2 million free, reusable blocks of code. It's like having the world's biggest box of Legos. Need to talk to a database? There's a package for that. Need to build a web framework? There are tons of packages for that too. It just makes development ridiculously fast.
And just how fast are we talking? Well, forget about hundreds of lines of complicated setup. You can get a core piece of internet infrastructure, a web server, up and running with literally just 5 lines of code.
And here it is. Seriously, that's it. You just grab Node's built-in tool for HTTP, you tell it to create a server, you tell it what to say, in this case, hello world, and then you tell it to start listening for visitors. Bam, you have a fully functional web server. It's amazing.
So because of this incredible speed and efficiency, Node is an absolute beast for certain kinds of apps. It's perfect for building blazing fast APIs and microservices. It dominates in real-time applications like chat rooms or online games, high-performance streaming, developer automation tools, even Internet of Things devices. Anything that needs to handle a ton of connections at once, Node is your go-to.
All right, let's pull back and look at the big picture here. We've seen the theory, we've seen the code, but what's the actual real-world impact? This isn't just some niche tech. It's a foundational piece of the internet as we know it today.
And you don't have to take my word for it. Just look at Netflix. When they moved parts of their platform over to Node.js, they saw their application startup time fall by 70%. 70! That's a massive, tangible improvement that you can actually feel as a user.
And the list just goes on and on. PayPal doubled its performance. Uber uses it to power its gigantic, complex, real-time data system for all its cars and riders. LinkedIn relies on it to handle millions of mobile connections simultaneously. These companies literally trust Node.js to run their core operations at a global scale.
You know, this quote really just nails it. Node.js wasn't just another tool. It introduced a whole new way of thinking, an architecture purpose-built for the demands of our modern, always-connected world. It really is the engine.
It solved the problems of the old web and became the engine for the new one. So the only question left is, with a tool this powerful and this accessible, what are you going to build with it?